Hello everybody, Peter here. Jumping into another drawing, of course. Ink on paper with Rotring Isograph pen. But let's answer a few questions. I'm just going to my all comments page here. Gonna Control F a question mark. Alright, let's see what the first question is. It pops up. It says, where did you live before? I just moved again. Yes, true. And before I moved, I lived on the coast of North Carolina, between Jacksonville and Wilmington, in a little town called Maple Hill. They have a stop sign or two. It's that big, and a gas station. All right. The next question says, drugs, and this one has 3 question marks. Not a lot. A lot of very caffeine, and then I take some antihistamine, like some allergy medications. If I don't take this drug, it's like kind of an off-brand Zyrtec sort of thing. I get really itchy sometimes, and I have these itching fits, and I just get really itchy. So I take that, and I take something for headaches too. So that's what I'm on right now, daily. Am I right? Yeah, all day, every day. Once a day, every day. Where's the next question mark? I don't see it. It's around here somewhere. Okay. That's not really, that's just a statement with a question. This one says, what is the name of this swirly art style? I love it. You're my favorite artist to watch. All I ever do is all. Okay, this is a comment on the Glow Ink video. The name of this art style I would call is just, I call it doodling. But I don't know, if you wanted to look up more of it, it's probably just like abstract ink drawing, abstract ink work. I'm bad at labeling things. I'm bad at genres. Like when it comes to music, I'm bad at lumping things together like that. Because it doesn't really have to have a name in order for you to make things. But I call it, because it all started out as doodling for me. I just started doodling in high school and then just kept doodling, and the doodles gradually changed and got bigger and bigger and more intricate. But, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to call it. You can call it whatever you want, whatever. If anyone has any tips for what to call what I do to help people who like categorizing things, categorize it, let them have it. All right, then this next question mark says, you have got to admit you do look kind of an unusual / weird man, don't you? Question mark. I guess so. Got to give it to him. But I gotta scroll through them all again. I loaded some more. Does this clicking bother you? Can you hear this clicking? Click, click, click. This person says, is this semi-ASMR? And that's on the one where I was drawing my feelings on Post-it notes. I would say so. It could be. If it's ASMR, it's unintentional ASMR, but it doesn't mean it's not. So if it gets your tingles going, and your whatever ASMR stands for, auto senso-meridial response, whatever, if it gets those meridials tingling, I say so. I'm fine with it. I don't really go out of my way to make ASMR content most of the time, but if it works for you, I'm happy. I'm fine with it. All right, this question is a very detailed question on the previous video about the consistency of my stool. I don't feel that. I don't really feel like answering. It's very thorough, though. Gotta give him that. This person wants to know if I can do finger painting. Not a bad idea. Yeah. Well, yeah, I have done finger painting before, but it was a long time ago, so I should try again. That's all I'm trying to say, yeah. This one says, is this Napoleon Dynamite? There was a long, pretty much all of high school actually, in which people would come up to me and say, "Hey, has anyone ever told you that you look like Napoleon Dynamite?" And it bugged me only because of the way they phrased it. For some reason, it would have been a lot less annoying if they just said, "Dude, you look like Napoleon Dynamite." And then I could have just been like, "Yeah, I know." But then if they say, "Has anyone ever told you that you look like Napoleon Dynamite?" I don't know if it's because it like required me to like what's this weird way of phrasing it? Yes, of course, you're not the first person to notice that. I guess they're just excited about it, but it bugged me a lot for some reason. Maybe that's why they did it. I don't know. This person says, "Where's my Peter Drops compilation?" Because I dropped so many people's packages in that fan mail video. I felt a little bad about that. Dropping all of people's precious things that they sent me and packaged so well. Nothing got broken though, because people did package it well. So that's good. And one more question. Not trying to be offensive/mean, but does Peter have a mental disability? If I do have a mental disability, it is keeping me from knowing about it, So, not that I know of. I don't, yeah. I guess that's the only that's the only answer I can give, right? Anyways, thanks for all the questions, everybody. Appreciate it. Maybe I'll control F some more question marks later. All right, take it easy, everybody. Goodbye. Love y'all. Bye. That's how it's gotta be.